Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change WhatsApp notification light color on an Android device. Go to your phone menu, find WhatsApp, tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chats tab. Tap on More Options, which is the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Tap on Settings option. Tap on Notification. Under Message Notification, tap on Light. Select your preferred light color. Now scroll down to Group Notification section and tap on Light. Select your preferred light color. As you can see, your preferred light color has been updated for both message and group notification. This is how you can change WhatsApp notification light color on an Android device.